Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a dragon on Dress to Impress. So you do need VIP for this before I start the video. So let's get started. Let me just remove everything I have so far so I can show you guys. Color yourself, sorry. In a dark red skin tone, we're going to go to the dressing rooms and we're going to get the strawberry dress. We're going to color it this dark red. So not this one, just make it a little bit darker than it is already. Then we're going to go to codes and we are going to, wait, is it in codes? Am I trying to, okay, yes, we're going to use this dress and we're also going to color it the same dark red. Then we're going to use the Moto Princess crown and we're going to color it black and this like orangey yellow color, I guess. I don't know. And then, we are going to use the hot dog costume and we're going to color it again the same as everything else. I don't know why it won't, like, oh, because it's like not custom. Okay, I guess just use this one. It still works fine, even though it's not as red as I want it to be. Select the cape and then do only cape here and color it again this dark red. Then we're going to select this pirate's hat and we're going to color it red and then white. I don't remember the order. Okay, red, white, black, and then just leave that color and then red. So it looks something like this. Get the horn and color it white, and then get the antlers and color it white. They're already white anyways, so just leave it at that. Get the broom, and then we're going to select walk, and we're going to again color it dark red, like that. Get the wings, toggle it to bigger, and then we're going to color it red again. And then lastly, we need the pumpkin. So grab the pumpkin and color that black and then put it on head. Like toggle it on head. And voila, you have kind of what looks like a dragon, I guess, to me. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!